Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies. This is for your daily energy, guys. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. And we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck, Scorpio. So we'll open that card at last. So for your daily energies, we will turn the card now, guys. So for your daily energy, Scorpios, Four of Pentacles. So with this card, I see here that you are having a particular way of doing things. You have a rigid way of life. So you may be creating certain limitations for yourself, and you do not want to change, and you do not make efforts to change. So that may be the reason for certain stress or some struggles in your life, guys. So whatever weakness that you have, you are not overcoming that, guys, and you want to take control of your life, and you go in a particular way in your life, and you don't want to change yourself for any person or any situation, whatever comes. So that may be a great weakness in your life, guys. That may be working against you, Scorpio. So you need to pay attention for that, guys. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the card for your career. Three of Swords. With this card, Scorpios, the energies that, guys, for your work situation, you may feel that there is no one helping you. You feel some kind of loneliness, maybe in your projects, because of your rigid ways, because of your inability to change your ways or adapt to other people. You may be doing your work all alone, and you may feel that nobody is helping you, and things are not going as expected, and you want help, but there is no one coming forward with help, guys. So what is the reason? Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Star. So with this card here, guys, I feel that you may be having that hope and faith, feeling that inspiration, guys. You may be trying to find that tranquil moment in even in your stressful times. So even in your relationship, you may have certain obstacles or stressful situations, some quarrels, or some misunderstandings in your relationship, but you are finding that inspiration to stay strong, and determined with that firm conviction to do what you need to do today. So that is what I see here. Maintain that harmony and tranquility in your life, guys. So you may be seeing troubles in your work situation and even in this relationship, but you are keeping your calm, trying to keep your calm. That is the energy here, guys. So Scorpios, I feel here it is the time for you to change your ways, guys. You should be more sharing. You should be able to communicate what you feel, whatever troubles you have with the people in your situation. So when you do that, you will be able to have a clarity in your situation, and you will be able to reach the solution, guys. So you have to make efforts to change your ways, guys. That is what I see here with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance. So this card may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. Serendipity. Okay, guys, something very lucky coming our way, guys. Scorpios, with this card, it is the card for denoting great opportunities and luck, guys. So luck and good fortune is working together to make things align in your life, and things are going to go in a very unexpected way towards the greater good, guys. So in your relationship, you are with this person. This is the right person, and at the right time you have met them. So this person is really important for you in your journey, guys, in your life. So some important changes will be taking place with this person. So you need to pay attention to this relationship, be aware where this relationship is taking you. So that understanding, you should go for that, guys, in your relationship. And even in your work situation, you will be seeing success and victory in your choices, whatever you are taking up. Maybe we were seeing some struggles, guys, with the previous cards. We saw you are facing some stress. So the reason may be sometimes this extreme lucky situation, it may directly lead us into some difficulties, guys, in order to make us understand some valuable lessons before we hit that jackpot, before we hit that fortunate moment. So we should not be caught up in this disappointment. So the universe knows what we need and what where we need to go, and where we are supposed to be, guys. So you need to be aware of the signs, some intuitions or whatever signs that you see in your life, and you have to pay attention to that. So in the right time, right things will happen, and the timing is perfect for you, guys. That is the energy with this card. So sometimes we may not be able to make things better. We may not land up with that perfect business, or we may feel that though we had that love, affection and sharing in this relationship, that relationship fell apart. So sometimes things like this happen to make us understand certain lessons. So we need to be very attentive, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance today. So either way, whether our situation will be very fortunate, or to make us learn lessons, we may be going through some difficulties. So both of it is a blessing from the universe. So it works for the better, to make us better in some way, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance here, and that is the reading for you all, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.